Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,370 square foot home located on a cul-de-sac in Simi Valley. As you walk in the front door, you will find a living room with a fireplace and a dining room, both with bamboo flooring. The kitchen has tile flooring and has been upgraded with recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances, and also has new quartz countertops. There is also a powder room on the first floor with tile flooring as well. As you go up the bamboo stairs, you will find 3 bedrooms that are carpeted. There are ceiling fans throughout the 3 bedrooms, crown molding, and 2-inch blinds. The main bathroom has tile flooring and has been upgraded with marble counters, tile shower, and also newer fixtures. The master bathroom also has been upgraded with marble countertops, tile flooring, beveled subway tile, and also has a rain shower. The backyard has a concrete patio area with plenty of room for running around and for entertaining. For a private showing or for more information, give me a call.